how to create a custom short URL with Bitly. This is what we are going to learn in this video. Welcome to the Digital World channel, and if you are new to this channel and if you want to learn the how-to tutorials, consider subscribing. Now coming back to the topic of the video, how to create a custom short URL with Bitly. So to do that, I'm just going to copy the link of this video and then I'm going to go to the Bitly site. Now before I paste this link, if you want to just get a short URL, you don't need to sign in into the Bitly. But if you want to customize your URL, then you will have to sign in. The sign in is free, and once you will sign in, you will get this kind of a screen, and in this screen you need to click this create button and you need to paste your long URL here and you need to press the create button, and here you can see that you will get the customized URL. Now this part after the oblique can be customized. So I'm just going to change this and I'll name this convert audio to text, or I'll just name it audio to text. So this link has is already been taken, so I'll just add convert before this. Now you have got the message that the bit link has been edited. Now you can just copy this link and you can paste it wherever you want to share your video. To test this link, that whether it is really working or not, I'm going to paste it in the address bar and press enter, and you will see that it has taken us to our video. So the link is working and it is a customized link. So that's how you can create the customized short link with Bitly. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe.